Hey, it's Pete for GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. And you've heard me cry long enough about my space issues here at the shop. So we've been doing some major reorganizing. I decided to invest some money in the place. So this entire strip right here you see right here kind of is going to butt up against this building. And we're going to put in a 60 by 30 kind of lean-to pole barn type shed deal, so I can get a lot of my attachments and equipment under roof, because that drives me crazy. So we're going to fix that today. I got my Ventrac 4520, the power rake. I'm going to kind of pre-grade this, rough grade it, get it somewhat like I need it. And then I've got Mr. Pickard, who you're familiar with. He's the gentleman that I've been getting my rock from for years, and he brought all that rock out to the lady where we redid her driveway, where you redid her driveway. And well, let me take that back. I redid the driveway, I get it, but you provided the funds to make that happen, and God orchestrated it all. Hallelujah to the Lamb. Same guy bringing the rock today, and once we get that, then we'll put it out here. And then I'll show you at the end of the video a couple of other upgrades we're going to do concerning our office warehouse, which is big time, and this is really going to help out. So let's get with it. So you're gonna have to visualize with me right here, this corner of the building. I kind of got some lines painted out where we're kind of pre-planning. This corner of the building is gonna come out to about right here in this corner, and then it's gonna come up this way right here, like this, and right here at this corner, it's gonna go dead straight in line. See this shed thing we kind of attached? That's where we do all the re-edge it blade sharpening, that mail-in mower blade sharpening service we got. All that happens in that little gray building, and that is concreted. We poured a concrete slab there, put the building down. That building is going to be gone, and we'll move it around back and use it for other storage. Come back to my point right here, and you follow it straight along like that around the outside edge of that building. Then it's going to continue down the length of the office. Well, I call it the office warehouse. Our actual office is inside the office warehouse. And then it's going to come out, that corner of the building is going to come out and come all the way down like so. So that's going to give us roughly 30-ish% more, maybe 30 to 40% more storage inside, heated air, under roof. All that's going to get a concrete slab, and it's all going to be poured in concrete, and the roof line of the current building is just going to come out, follow, and of course we'll have outside walls on it. That'll happen this winter, but it comes down right here and then follows up, and it's going to be even with the back of that building, and then from that point over 30 feet. But it is slightly uphill, so you know, it's about like this, so I'm having to build it up just a little bit to kind of flatten it off. I don't think I'll get it perfectly flat because I can't. The grade would have to come up to right here, and then we're going to be excavating this winter, so I'm okay with just a slight fall right here, but I had to build it up with rock so I could create that slight grade. I hired a company to come in and do all this and put it up. And so I'm really excited about it. It's going to be, like I said, 30 foot deep, 60 foot long or wide, however you want to call it. And it's going to be 10 foot high in the back, 12 foot high in the front, with a little pitch on the front, like a little 2 or 3 foot pitch on the front. So, 12 foot, 10 foot, I can get any of my equipment up under it. I can back it all the way to the back. The outer walls of it, the wall that runs that way, and the wall that runs this way, and the wall that runs this way, it's all going to be closed in. Fuel tanks right here are going to get moved after all the construction is done. The way the posts are laid out, we got lucky, and the fuel tanks aren't going to be in the way. The posts are going to be on the outer edge of that. 6x6 post is what they're going to use. That's my gas tank, that's my diesel tank. And the gas tank is going to go right here at the front long ways, and then the diesel tank is going to go behind it long ways, and we'll leave a little chute right here where we can back the mowers in, tractor in, or whatever to fill up. All right, there's some more rock. I'm gonna kind of get this one dumped out here out of the way because I don't need all that much right there. I need just a little bit right in here, and then this is going to kind of taper off and just bleed into the existing parking lot. But it's easier for me to scoop this up with a tractor now and dump me a few piles there than it is to drag it around with a Ventrac. You on TV again? Woo! Don't want to put your finger in that thing when it's closing. Here comes my favorite part. Old Justice getting it done. So there you go. Looks good. I kind of like it. We'll have to kind of figure out this section right here when the time comes. I'll probably have to tighten up this edge right here. May even build some type of a little retaining wall. That's more likely what we'll do, is I'll have to build a little retaining wall here to kind of hold the rock back so it don't come falling on the new area of office warehouse space right there. But we'll deal with that this winter when we get to it. Work in progress. As always, I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch. I'll check you later.